Hi, my name is Roshan Thomas and I'm a computer engineer. I love bikes and I like going fast. I am the founder of Bike Tricks and I'm excited to bring you our latest and greatest product. Electric bikes give you the momentum to go farther, faster, and tackle hills easier. Fat bikes are tough, comfortable, and very durable. We designed an amazing fat bike, took the best electrical components and combined them to give you the best of both worlds. Introducing the Bike Tricks Juggernaut. So here's how the bike works. Up on the screen here, it shows you the level of assist and then your speed that you're going at. And then you can change the level of assist by using this button here. Either plus is to go more and minus is to go less. At zero assist, that means that your bike is just like a regular bike.
I think it's actually pretty incredible. I think it'd be great for going uphill or anything like that. Or go off the stop sign, yeah, instead of having to power up to pick off, just an immediate acceleration. So my truck is over here, so I'll be right back.
Most electric bikes out there have motors mounted on the wheel, either the front wheel or the back wheel. And the problem with that is that it puts too much weight either on the front or back of the bike. What we've done is we've put the motor right in the center of the bike, keeping the center of gravity within the center of the bike, which means the bike still behaves like a regular bike. Like these fat bikes were called sand bikes or snow bikes to begin with, and the reason for that is because it gives you a lot more traction than a regular bike in snow, ice or sand. And the reason for that is because of the big tires.
It feels like my eyes are tearing up from the wind.
We want to start a full-scale production of our bike, and we need your help. In return, you can be one of the first ones to own a custom-made Juggernaut. So how did that feel?
Oh, man. I know you got to pedal a little bit, but it just takes right off.
We really appreciate your support, and we know you'll love your Juggernaut.
So proud.